Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal na Ahanba Oina Rashtriya Bal Swasthya KARYAKRAM RBSK gi MAKHADA NOURIBA ANGANGSHINGDA CONGENITAL heart disease ka mari LEINANA minimally invasive device closure procedure MAPUNG PHANA PANGTHOKKHRE RBSK program gi MAKHADA lemna life saving treatment pi kiba aduna state asida cardiac care da advance kayamag yamna oirabagi haibadu mayek sengna takli amadi angang singna lemna layengbagi khudong chaba hengatlagani haukiba numitta angang marida cardiac procedure sing amai pakna pangthokpa ngamkhi tongan ba case singi manungda amana PDA device closure amadana AS device closure chahi amadi chahi mapan gi angang anida pulmonary balloon valvuloplasty pangthokki operation sing adu Dr. Shyam Kumar Thingam retired head of department CTVS PGI Chandigarh gi luting makhada Professor Manoj Kumar Rohit HOD Cardiology PGI Chandigarh Professor CS Dhanaraj HOD Medicine Professor TS Chitu HOD CTVS Professor L Pradeep Anesthesiology Dr. Dhanachand Dr. Singamlung Kamai Cardiology RIMS na Sarukyaduna Pangthokkibani Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma Director RIMS asu Operation Mai Pak na Pangthokpada Chauna Thodam Lawkiba Team Thagat Pangthokdonakli